Today we'll see how to make chocolate cake very easily, quickly with all available ingredients at home. The best part of this recipe is it can be made very quickly. Hardly it takes 10 minutes to prepare the cake and followed by 45 minutes to bake the cake. So friends, let's see how to make this beginner's cake very easily at home. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please press the bell icon so that you receive my notification at the earliest.
First we need to powder the sugar. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of sugar. I'll grind it and make fine powder of it. Here is the sugar powder. I'll keep it aside. This is 1 cup maida. Now we will sieve the maida using a strainer. By doing this, we will remove the lumps in the maida. We have used 1 cup maida for 3/4 cup of sugar. We will keep this aside and take a mixture jar. In this, we will add our powdered sugar, around 3 tablespoons refined oil or butter. Here I have used oil, milk around 1/4 cup, and now grind it. See, this is the mixture of sugar powder, milk and oil. In this, we will add our maida. We will not add complete maida at a time. We will add it partly. Here I have added around 1/2 cup maida and now grind it. You can see it has not mixed properly, so we need to repeat the process twice or thrice for proper mixing with maida. So we will add our milk, rest of the milk, rest of the oil and rest of the maida. And again grind it. Now you can see it has mixed properly. It is almost 80% done. Still there are some lumps. We will remove these lumps by mixing the batter with hand. But still it has done 80% of the work in the mixture. By this we will save our time. Now we will take a flat base non-stick kadhai and add some salt. You can reuse the salt for making the cake next time. Now we will add a stand and preheat the kadhai for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will grease a container in which we will make the cake. You can grease with oil, butter or ghee. I have used oil. Grease it properly throughout the surface. Here I have used a butter paper. Butter paper is totally optional. If you don't have butter paper, you can add maida on the surface of the container so that the cake don't stick to it. Now we will take out the cake batter in a large container and mix the batter thoroughly to remove all the lumps. The batter should be very smooth with ribbon consistency. Add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and mix the batter. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 teaspoon baking powder, and half teaspoon baking soda. Now add the cake batter in the greased container and bake it in the preheated kadhai for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we will check our cake is properly cooked. You can see. We will take it out in a plate with the help of a knife in this way. We will remove the butter paper. See, the cake has cooked from both sides and how much spongy it is. Our basic birthday cake is ready. We can also add some toppings to decorate the cake. This is totally optional, but we will see how we can do that. In a pan, we will add little bit milk, around 3 tablespoons. Add Cadbury. If you don't have Cadbury, you can even use Bournvita or Milo. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and mix it properly. Our chocolate syrup is ready. Now we will apply this chocolate syrup on the surface of the cake. Apply the chocolate syrup throughout the surface of the cake, on the top and the side. After applying the syrup properly, we will refrigerate it for proper icing of the cake. So friends, our chocolate cake is ready. You can decorate the cake with some dry fruits, sprinklers or chocolates. I have made this cake for my baby's 18-month celebration, so I have decorated in this way. If you like the recipe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this recipe with your friends.